We'll demonstrate raised stem stitch. Let's see this pattern. There are 4 horizontal lines above. We must first stitch these 3 horizontal lines as foundation, then can proceed with wrapping. Let me demonstrate. First, come up at right of first line. Take down at left. Stitch 1 straight line. These 2 below also. Stitch 1 straight line. After stitching these 3 foundation straight lines, we must divide into 2 halves to stitch, convenient for wrapping. Come up at middle position here. Thread needle through second foundation line here. Wrap 1 circle. Pull down to third foundation line here. Again, thread needle from below third foundation line. Wrap upward 1 circle. Again, pull thread downward. Use needle to move thread to middle. Then take down below 4th line. Demonstrate again. Return to top close to previous stitch and come up. Then pull thread down. Pull to second foundation line here. Thread from below upward. Each threading only thread, not fabric. Pull thread. After wrapping 1 circle, pull thread down to third foundation line. Again, thread needle from below upward, wrap 1 circle. Use needle to push it toward middle. Let threads close together. After each wrapping, adjust it. Otherwise, stitched gaps will be very large. Take down. Continue returning needle to top. Each time coming up must be close to previous stitch. This way, wrapped threads will be tight. Again, pull to second foundation line here. Wrap 1 circle. Third also same. Take down at 4th line here. We use needle to adjust it. Let it form tight arrangement. Now looks like gap still large. No problem, wrap several more layers later. Naturally will arrange tightly. Following these operation steps, wrap in sequence. Adjust with needle. It will get thicker as wrapped. Here will get tighter. Use needle to slightly adjust it. This half-raised stem stitch is complete. Next stitch, other side. Again, move needle to middle position. Come up close to previous stitch. Don't leave too large gap here. Try to keep close together. If leave too large gap, stitched threads will be very loose later. So here, try to keep close. Pull thread to second foundation line here. Thread needle from below second foundation line upward. Again, thread to upper right, wrap 1 circle. Not like this wrap to left. If wrap to left, later arrangement will go toward left. We'll form large gap in middle here. Come to below third line. Again, wrap 1 circle. Adjust with needle. Take down below. Return to top, continue wrapping. This stitch very suitable for some woven embroidery. Stitched looks like 3-dimensional bag, or some stem line outlining. Large area pattern filling. All good choices. I commonly use it for woven embroidery. Stitched effect will be more delicate. Take down. Let's see the overall finished effect.